It was a riot that erupted in the heart of Bengaluru just a few months into the national pandemic lockdown. And today, the National Investigation Agency has made a stunning revelation in the DJ Halli, KJ Halli riots case in Bengaluru. In this 7,000-page charge sheet, the probe agency says that radical groups like the SDPI and Popular Front of India had plotted the riots on the night of 11th of August itself. Here's our report. They say it was pre-planned and organized. August 11th, 2020. A night of arson, vandalism and clashes on the streets of Bengaluru. The violence wasn't spontaneous, it was a pre-planned conspiracy. The National Investigation Agency's 7,000-page charge sheet has blown the lid off a massive plot to spread unrest in the city of Bengaluru during the infamous 2020 riots. The NIA charge sheet has established, first, that the Popular Front of India and the SDPI were involved. Second, that rioters had planned to attack the police station in the area. Third, that rioters used social media groups to spread hate and violence. The NIA has also mentioned in its charge sheet that these rioters were fueled by anger over the Citizenship Amendment Act and NRC.
Now the matter is in the court. So now court will decide regarding the charge sheet, regarding the offences, regarding the sections they put in, all the investigation done by NIA, and we are confident that justice will be done.
The PFI SDPI link has been confirmed months after Congress leaders' role came to light in the riots case. Ex-Bengaluru Mayor Sampath Raj is out on bail, but he remains one of the main accused in the riots conspiracy. As the probe deepens in the August riots case, one thing is clear. The riots were pre-planned, a conspiracy to spread unrest in the heart of Bengaluru. With Nagarjun Dwarkanath in Bengaluru, Bureau Report, India Today. And now with this charge sheet pointing a big finger at the SDPI and the Popular Front of India, we've gotten the first reaction from the SDPI. Listen in.
बेंगलुरु तशद्दुद के मामले में एनआईए ने जो चार्जशीट फाइल की है ये एक्सपेक्टेड है। ये नथिंग बट आरएसएक्स फैक्ट फाउंडिंग रिपोर्ट है। जब कर्नाटक में एनआईए की टीम इन्वेस्टिगेशन के लिए आई थी, इनके दांतों में एसडीपीआई का नाम था, हाथों में ब्लैंक पेपर और पेन को देकर इनको भेजा गया था। तो ये पूरी जो चार्जशीट है ये प्री प्लान्ड है और प्रेजुडिस होकर इसको किया गया है।
Before we get into our face-off here on 5 Live, these are the questions that we are asking here on 5 Live. The Popular Front of India and the Congress have been accused of being in a nexus in the Bengaluru riots. Does this charge sheet in any way amplify that allegation that the BJP has been making? Question number 2. Will the Congress now demand a ban on the Popular Front of India? Question number 3. What is the link between ex-Congress Mayor Sampath Raj and the Popular Front of India? Question number 4. The SDPI and the PFI pre-planned these attacks, says the charge sheet. Will the BJP move to ban these organizations, both the Popular Front of India as well as the SDPI? Question number 5. Was Naveen's comment on the Prophet, the whole thing that triggered this entire riot, pre-planned? Was it part of a pre-planned mobilization to actually create a flare-up in Bengaluru? Joining me live.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.